Hey everyone! Ever feel like you're dragging your feet, even after a good night's sleep? Like you just don't have any energy? Well, you're not alone. Lots of people feel that way, and it could be because you're not getting enough magnesium. Magnesium is like a superhero for your body. It helps turn the food you eat into energy. And who doesn't love energy? It also helps your muscles work properly, keeps your heart healthy, and even helps you sleep better. So how can you get more of this magical magnesium? Smoothies! I'm going to share 5 of my favorite magnesium-rich smoothie recipes that will have you bouncing off the walls with energy. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my healthy and delicious recipes. Okay, let's start with a classic, the Green Power Smoothie. This vibrant drink is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that will give you a boost of energy and keep you feeling great throughout the day. Don't let the color scare you away. The green hue comes from all the healthy ingredients we've packed into this smoothie. This smoothie is packed with good stuff that will make you feel amazing. From leafy greens to creamy avocados, every ingredient has been chosen for its health benefits. First up, we have spinach. This leafy green is a staple in many healthy recipes, and for good reason. Spinach is like the superhero of leafy greens. It's incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, but it really shines in smoothies. It's full of vitamins and minerals, including, you guessed it, magnesium. Magnesium is essential for muscle and nerve function, and it helps keep your heart rhythm steady. Plus, it's low in calories, so you can enjoy this smoothie without any guilt. It's a great way to get a lot of nutrition without a lot of calories. Next, we're adding some avocado. This fruit is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Avocado is full of healthy fats that are good for your heart and brain. These fats help to keep you full and satisfied, making this smoothie a great option for breakfast or a snack. It also makes the smoothie super creamy and delicious. The texture is so smooth and velvety, you'll forget it's actually good for you. Now for some sweetness and potassium. We're adding a banana. Bananas are a great way to add natural sweetness to your smoothie without any added sugar. Bananas are a great source of natural energy, and they taste amazing in smoothies. They also add a nice creamy texture that complements the avocado. To make sure our smoothie is extra smooth and creamy, we're using almond milk. Almond milk is a great dairy-free alternative that adds a subtle nutty flavor. You can use any kind of milk you like, but I find that almond milk has a nice neutral flavor that lets the other ingredients shine through. Plus, it's low in calories and high in vitamins and minerals. Finally, we're adding a tablespoon of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. Chia seeds are like tiny little powerhouses of nutrition. They expand in liquid, helping to keep you full and hydrated. They're full of fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which are important for good health. Fiber helps with digestion, protein is essential for muscle repair, and omega-3s are great for brain health. Now, all you have to do is blend everything together until it's smooth and creamy. Make sure to blend it well so that all the ingredients are fully incorporated. Pour it into your favorite glass, grab a straw, and enjoy. This Green Power Smoothie is not only delicious, but also incredibly good for you. Cheers to your health. If you're looking for a taste of the tropics, then this next smoothie is for you. Imagine yourself on a sun-kissed beach, the sound of waves crashing in the background, and a refreshing drink in your hand. This smoothie is not just any drink, it's a tropical mango delight that will transport you straight to paradise. It's sweet, it's tangy, and it's bursting with flavor. The combination of fresh fruits creates a symphony of tastes that dance on your palate. The vibrant colors of the smoothie are a feast for the eyes, making it as visually appealing as it is delicious. The star of this smoothie is, of course, mango. Mangoes are not only delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients. Mangoes are a good source of magnesium, which is essential for muscle and nerve function. They also provide a healthy dose of vitamins. They're rich in vitamins C and A, which are crucial for maintaining a strong immune system and good vision. Next up, we're adding some pineapple. Pineapple not only enhances the tropical flavor, but also brings its own set of health benefits. Pineapple is a natural source of bromelain, an enzyme that helps with digestion and reduces inflammation. It also adds a delicious tanginess to the smoothie, balancing the sweetness of the mango perfectly. To make this smoothie extra creamy and tropical, we're using coconut milk. Coconut milk gives the smoothie a rich, velvety texture. Coconut milk is a delicious and healthy alternative to dairy milk. It's lactose-free and packed with healthy fats. It's also naturally sweet, so you won't need to add any extra sugar. This makes it a healthier choice for those watching their sugar intake. And for a little bit of warmth and spice, we're adding a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon adds a unique flavor that complements the tropical fruits. Cinnamon is not only delicious, but it's also been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels and has anti-inflammatory properties. Just like before, blend all of the ingredients together until smooth and creamy. The blending process ensures that all the flavors meld together perfectly. Pour it into a glass, add a little umbrella, and imagine yourself on a tropical beach. This smoothie is the perfect escape in a glass. Up next, Berry Burst Smoothie. For all you berry lovers out there, this one's for you. This smoothie is packed with antioxidants and flavor. We're starting with a mix of your favorite berries. I like to use a combination of strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, but you can use whatever you like. Berries are full of antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. To add some creaminess and healthy fats, we're adding a tablespoon of almond butter. Almond butter is a great source of protein and fiber, and it also has a delicious nutty flavor. And for a little extra sweetness and potassium, we're adding a banana. Bananas are a great addition to any smoothie, and they help to balance out the tartness of the berries. Finally, we're adding a sprinkle of flax seeds. Flax seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, both of which are important for good health. Blend everything together until smooth and creamy, and enjoy. Chocolate Almond Dream. Who says healthy can't be chocolatey? This smoothie tastes like dessert but is packed with good-for-you ingredients. We're starting with a banana for sweetness and creaminess. Plus, bananas are a good source of potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure. To make this smoothie extra chocolatey, we're adding 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is full of antioxidants and has a rich chocolatey flavor. Make sure you use unsweetened cocoa powder so you can control the sweetness of the smoothie. For a boost of protein and healthy fats, we're adding a tablespoon of almond butter. Almond butter is a great addition to smoothies because it adds a creamy texture and a delicious nutty flavor. And to make sure our smoothie is extra smooth and creamy, we're using almond milk. You can use any type of milk you like, but I find that almond milk has a neutral flavor that lets the other ingredients shine through. Blend everything together until it's smooth and creamy, and enjoy. It's like a healthy chocolate milkshake. Peanut Butter Banana Boost. This last smoothie is for all you peanut butter lovers out there. If you're a fan of that creamy, nutty goodness, then this one's for you. It's a classic combination that's both delicious and nutritious. The blend of peanut butter and banana is a match made in heaven. We're starting with a banana for sweetness and potassium. Bananas are not only naturally sweet, but also packed with essential nutrients. Bananas are a great source of natural energy, and they taste amazing in smoothies. They provide that creamy texture we all love. Next up, we're adding 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. This ingredient is the star of the show, bringing in that rich, nutty flavor. Peanut butter is a great source of protein and healthy fats, and it also has a delicious nutty flavor. It's perfect for keeping you full and satisfied. Make sure you choose a natural peanut butter that doesn't contain any added sugar or oil. This keeps your smoothie healthy and wholesome. To make this smoothie extra smooth and creamy, we're using almond milk. Almond milk adds a subtle nutty flavor that complements the peanut butter. You can use any type of milk you like, but I prefer almond milk. Whether it's dairy milk, soy milk, or oat milk, the choice is yours. And for an extra boost of protein, we're adding a scoop of your favorite protein powder. This is especially great if you're having this smoothie post-workout. Protein powder is a great way to add extra protein to your diet, which is important for building and repairing tissues. It also helps keep you feeling full longer. Blend everything together until it's smooth and creamy, and enjoy. The blending process ensures all the flavors meld together perfectly. This smoothie is perfect for a post-workout snack or a quick and easy breakfast. It's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to fuel your day. So whether you're rushing out the door in the morning or need a quick pick-me-up after the gym, this peanut butter banana boost has got you covered. So there you have it. 5 delicious and easy smoothie recipes that are packed with magnesium and other essential nutrients. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Holistic Wellness Realm, for more healthy and delicious recipes. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.